Well, we stack these 40-foot sections vertically all the way up. And once we get up to the top, we put the turntable on where the operator sits in. And then we'll hang the back part of the crane, which is called the counter deck. And then we'll put the front part of the crane on, which is called the inner jib, which is 80 foot long. And then we'll put the outer jib on. And then after we do all that, we'll put the ballast weights on the back of it.
So how much does a 40-foot section weigh?
42,000 pounds. So I think at the very top it'll be 260 foot from the very bottom to the very top. Well, it takes a special breed to do it. I've been personally doing it for 38 years. It's a rush. I mean, you're up there on a windy day up there, that thing's probably moving 2 to 3 feet with the wind swaying back and forth.
Well, it must be dangerous.
Oh, it is very dangerous. We have the latest fall protection that they make.
So
we update it all the time. If they come out with something better, something more comfortable for the men to wear, like a safety harness, we buy it.
That's what they're wearing up there?
Yeah, all have safety harnesses. And we've run different people through doing it. We can tell we start them out on the ground a little bit, and then we let them go up in the tower a little bit, just vertical, and then we try them horizontal, but we know after about 4 or 5 times doing it if they're going to make it in the crew or not. And it's usually 50-50. It's dangerous, but we do enough of them. Not the shortcuts, we know how to put them up. We put almost over 130 of them up last year, and it was a good year for us. So when you do the same thing day in and day out, we have a good crew, it's the same people. We believe in the latest rigging, latest safety stuff. We're just on top of the game. That's why we travel all over the East Coast putting them up. Well, yeah, it's just little pieces. You put them together, piece by piece. This is a brand new crane. This is an 014 model. This is the first time it's ever been put up. That crane right there, to rent it, to put this up, is probably about $70,000.
To rent it?
Just to rent it for the 3 days that we're using it.
What would it take if I wanted to buy that?
I think that's a $3.5 million crane.
And what about the tower cranes?
Tower crane is probably about $1 million. No, that's about $1.5 million now.
Each one of them?
Well, each one of them. Yeah, they're brand new.
I'm going to guess that doing this kind of work pays pretty well.
Yeah, they do all right.